Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by finding the actual thread end and any nearby knots. This saves time and prevents creating more tangles. Once located, secure the spool or bobbin so it won't rotate freely. Make sure to use a small clip or piece of tape. Set strong lighting, and if needed, a magnifier for fine thread. Now take a calm breath and gently separate the first visible loop from the mass. Pull slowly so you don't tighten hidden twists. You'll now focus on easing the tangle without cutting the thread. Start from the secured end and gradually work toward the knot, teasing loops apart with a blunt needle or tweezers. This helps free tight sections without weakening fibers. Make sure to maintain gentle, even tension and feed 1 to 2 inches of loosened thread through your fingers as you go, so you have control and can spot where twists reform. If a knot resists, stop and reevaluate rather than yanking. You finish by rewinding the freed thread neatly onto the spool or bobbin while keeping light, consistent tension so it won't tangle again. Once wound, trim any tiny frays and test the thread by pulling 6 to 12 inches through a needle to confirm smoothness. If stubborn knots persist, apply a tiny drop of sewing oil or dilute starch to relax fibers, then work the knot gently. If things go wrong, stop pulling. Secure both ends and retease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.